Hi, this is Noah, your delivery specialist, and today I'll be going over the park-in ability on your XC90. To get to that, you'll swipe right on the screen and click Park-in, and you'll follow the prompt that it goes through to get you to perpendicularly park. Right now it's scanning the right side. Slot is found. You continue forward. Stop. Put it in the reverse gear as long as you're in the perpendicular part. You also want to take your hand off the steering wheel, and all you want to use is the brake and the gear shifter as instructed. And you'll see that there's a blue bar over here that tells you how far you're from your next step. Put it into the drive mode. Put it in reverse. See how that blue bar slowly goes down? The car's not getting too close to other ones. If you don't feel comfortable, you can always put it back in drive, for example, and it will realign where you should be and have you put it back in reverse when it thinks it's ready. And that's how you use your park-in ability. Have a nice day.